This is Dave Bolduc with the Bella Group. Welcome to my weekly real estate market update. Today's October 14th. We're going to talk about this news headlines you're seeing. Housing prices are falling, the end of the market, it's all over, and then what's really going on. Before we get into that YouTube algorithm, please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can see my content that comes out every week. I'm working on more short videos as well because I know people like those. It's not my strength, but I'm gonna get on it. And then comments, questions, throw them in the comment section. It's very helpful for me, and it's also helpful for the YouTube algorithm. Let's talk about the Connecticut real estate market first, because real estate's local. 5,832 homes active on the market today. It's down about 15 from last week, so we're seeing our inventory come down. We have about 784 new construction, and about 50% of the houses on the market have been on the market greater than 50 days. There's something going on with those houses. It could be it needs some cosmetic work, whatever. I did a video with Kelly McGinnis about renovation loans, and I have a bunch of resources for renovations as well. If you're interested in that kind of an activity, give me a call. I'll be glad to help you out with that. We've got about 1.5 months of inventory on the shelf right now based on September demand. So inventory is definitely low. Before we get into the actual forecast, I want to talk about what experts look at when they're gauging the health of the market: employment, lending standards, foreclosures, and inventory. Employment reports have been strong. There's concerns about layoffs. We haven't seen massive layoffs yet. If that does happen, that could have an impact. Lending standards are tight, and I don't expect them to change. Foreclosures have not gotten back up to pre-pandemic levels, and I don't expect them to anytime soon. So there's a source that's low. And inventory itself, like I just said, we're at 1.5 months of inventory. We'd like to be at 6 to 7. So all of these characteristics right now say that the housing market is in decent shape and is not at risk of a major collapse. Let's talk about the forecast. What stands out? The forecast of minus 4% by Ivy Zelman. Everybody else is saying probably a little bit up, but nothing major. This one stands out. That's why it's getting all the attention. Now, are they correct? I don't know, but I don't think so based on the information that's out there right now. This is looking at it a different way. Metropolitan service areas, cities, the vast majority, they're expected to see some level of appreciation, up to about 5%, maybe a little bit more. There's a few about 257 that they're saying there's going to be some depreciation. Those are probably the cities that have seen outsized gains over the last couple of years, just cooling off a little bit. Over the next 3 years, 24, 25, 26, takeaway here is the majority of people expect depreciation, and more people expect depreciation the farther out you go. And it's pretty high numbers. This is a chart I've shown before, last 30 years, property appreciation by state. Connecticut's the lowest at 148%. Everybody else is higher. The dark blue numbers are the highest, some up in the 500-600% range. So this is telling me that the real estate is local. It depends where you are as to what you're going to see for price changes, and this will play out over the next year or 2 years as well as we watch this market play out. So the bottom line is everything that I'm seeing says that yes, there will be some markets that see some price decreases. Majority of them will not see price decreases, and Connecticut with such low inventory is not going. I don't expect to see any price decreases at all. It'll probably be flat to up a little bit, maybe 2, 3, 4%. Primary mortgage market survey is 6.92. It's the highest we've seen in a while. Certainly not the 2 to 3% we had just a year and a half ago. I don't think we're going to get back down to that level. But if you're ready to buy a house now's the time to do it. I've got clients from 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 that kept telling me prices are coming down, mortgage rates are going to stay low or they're going to go lower, and they missed out. So please don't put yourself in that position. Make the decision that's right for now. Don't try to guess what's going to happen in the future. If interest rates go back down, you can refinance. So the one thing I want to end with is heating season is coming. Service your heating system. That includes if you have forced air, changing the air filter. You don't want to beat on your system any more than necessary, especially on some dark, cold night. If everything fails, you're in a bad place. So please make sure you get your system serviced and get a service contract if you can. I think it's a highly recommended thing to do. Anyway, I hope you have a great weekend, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Have a great day.